Guys, we're gonna do a quick comparison. This is a 5K brick. This one holds 5,000, got some fingerprints on it, sorry. But we just made a similar one for a client. This one's polished, he didn't want polished. So our standard 10K brick is 2 pounds, 10.5 ounces. I always try to do something extra for everybody, give them something more than what they're expecting. So he wanted a machine finished 5K brick, which we have here. Solid top, so just got to wipe it down. 5,000 capacity. And I've not ever made one like this. Basically, we took our $10,000 brick platform and made a 5K brick. So let's check the weight of that. So that one's 6 pounds, 8 ounces. Its predecessor is just over almost 3 pounds. So this one's more than twice as heavy. Let's see how much weight it takes off when we remove the lid. So yeah, just the base of this one is basically the weight of this one. You add the top, it goes from 2 pounds, 15 ounces to 6 pounds, 8 ounces. That's a heavy lid. There you go. We made it bigger and better than you wanted or expected. Here's some new stuff you probably haven't seen yet. These are being polished. We just did this killer Bulls brick. This is for a basketball player. I guess he plays for the Bulls, I don't know. But that's the lid. It came out really, really nice. And here's the base for it. We just finished that. Man, that looks beautiful. Ooh. This is Jonathan. Say what's up.
What up, man?
He does all the hand polishing for us. Well, as much as he can do. He can't do it all. We all have to pitch in. So, there you go.